Okay. Right. So just to let you know, I'm not a YouTuber. I'm not a video editor. This isn't going to be an overly interesting video. All I'm doing is responding to this guy, the Flat Earth arsehole. The reason I'm doing that is because this guy keeps popping up in my suggested videos. I'm not really sure why. Maybe I've watched a Flat Earth video before, purely for entertainment. Because it's stupid. Now I know that you've heard that a lot before, but I don't think anyone has ever brought up this particular point. You've discussed the moon a few times, but there's one important point that never gets brought up. If you're in the northern hemisphere, you see the moon one way. If you're on the same side of the Earth, but on the southern hemisphere, you see the same face of the moon, but you see it upside down. And you can test this. If you live in the northern hemisphere and you video chat with someone in the southern hemisphere, if you both took a picture at the same time of the moon, you would see the same face, but one of them would be upside down. And there's a reason for that. It's because the moon... Sorry, it's because the Earth, not the moon, is a sphere. I know you don't like it when people say round. I agree with you. It annoys me too. The Earth is a sphere. Anyway, or a ball. But no one brings that up. It's very simple. If you still don't understand it, imagine you're standing on the North fucking pole and you took a picture of the moon. Now travel all the way to the fucking South Pole and take a picture of the moon. You'll see the same face of the moon, but upside down. Because the Earth is a sphere. Now, I don't think you've mentioned this before. I don't think you've addressed this. So please do explain to me why that's the case on the Flat Earth model. Also, when you try to refute what some of these people say with regards to curvature, your way of refuting it is by showing footage of a boat that's really far away, that you can't see with the naked eye, and you use a high-powered lens to zoom back into it. That is not proving anything. We don't know how far away that boat is. It doesn't prove anything. It doesn't prove it for or against. It's not far enough. I don't think you quite understand how big the Earth is. When people say, if you can't see the curvature of the Earth, you're not high enough, there's a reason they say that. It's because the Earth is fucking massive. Have you done any experiments? Any experiments? Please tell me which experiments you've done yourself to try and prove that the Earth is not a sphere. Because it's widely accepted that the Earth is a sphere. So the burden of proof is on you to prove that it's not. And all these bullshit videos that you show of some ship far away being zoomed in on with a fucking telephoto lens isn't fooling anyone. So anyway, back to the moon. Please address that. Please tell me why, if you're in the northern hemisphere against the south, why is it different? Why is one of them upside down? Explain it, you fucking asshole. Look at this guy. My girlfriend left me because I am a fucking weirdo. He probably won't even reply. Because he's a pussy. Look at that. Look at that fucking face. He keeps coming up in my suggested videos. Fuck off with your stupid theories, mate. He's probably just doing this for attention. He's probably doing this for attention because there's no way on this fucking round spherical earth this guy could actually believe that the earth is flat. He also believes in God, I think, in one way or another. And he uses this as some form of, I don't know, some form of bollocks to try and get you to think about maybe God created life and the earth and fucking all that bollocks. God didn't create nothing, mate. God doesn't exist, and neither does your flat earth model.